Hello peeps, welcome back here to Letter Rip Fishing. We're just getting ready to load up and head down to the old lake, getting the old boat picked up here. Make sure everything's ready to go. I think we should be good. It'll be cool in the day. It's what is it, 30 degrees outside right now. Calm winds, though it's calm, but as you can tell, we got a little bit of the white stuff going on here. But hell, fish still got to eat, so we just will go see if we can feed them. Stay tuned. We'll see you at the ramp. All right. Well, made it to the boat ramp. As you can see, not a soul in sight. So we got it all to ourselves right now. 32 degrees out. A little foggy, not too bad though, not as bad as the other day. So that's not too bad. I haven't checked to see what the water temps are. I just put the boat in, so go out here and probably have to throw some A-rigs around and crankbait probably jig, imagine. Let's just see what we can come up with and get prepared for next Saturday's tournament, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. Let's see what we can get going on there today. We'll start out with this DT8 crawdad color, and we'll see what we get hit on it at all. Trying to stay away from the A-rig as long as possible, but we'll just see what happens. That's all we can do. Go from there. Hope for good things. Alright, come on, baby. Let's go get some fishes here. Come on. Nope, there we go. There's one. Yeah. I mean, a keeper, but not a keeper, but good one to me. Heck yeah. Little guy, but that's all right. Get us a picture here. 44-degree water temps. Let's see what we got here. First one of the morning. Appreciate you, buddy. Look at that. Not too bad. Appreciate you, little guy. Thank you. Good deal. I did out here this thing near at the boat here. I don't know if it followed it up or what happened there. Not real sure. Either way, we will take it. Oh. No way. There's another in there, maybe. Oh, that's what it is. There's some brush pile down there. Old brush pile down there. Oh. some brush pile down there. Say that's probably what it come off of. Another little guy. There you go. Hey, we're gonna take as many as we can get today, folks. That's a little bitty fella. But hey, gotta start somewhere, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah, we probably. So, all right, well, little buddy, I appreciate you. I'll show you what I'm throwing here. This here's the Rapala. Rapala DT8 in the crawdad color. That time of year, you know, 40, let's say 44 degree water temperature. So the crawdads are out and about here. We're getting some bites here. So there's ball out there, I think. Feels like it. There we go. There we go. Nice. Very good. Very good. Yeah, still kind of small on the smaller side, but at least they're biting that crank. You know what I mean? At least they're biting the crank. So that's number 3. Not bad. Not too bad. Yeah, little buddy, I appreciate you. Another one followed it up. Didn't take it. Something going on if they ain't digging these crankbaits today. Well, it is, but I had to throw a dang jerkbait here. So jerkbait or paddletail swim bait, just to see what's going on here. There it is. There's one, finally. There's one, finally. Hammered that sucker too. That's what we did. Hammered that sucker. Awesome. Thank you, little buddy. You guys have got to get bigger though. Dang it. But I appreciate you. Too bad. Oh boy, big one. Hold on. Hold on, man. Yeah, find not not what you're looking for. Yeah, but that's all right. I like it. Appreciate you, little guy. Huh. Maybe nothing by all that wood. Crazy. There we go. There we go. Finally. It's another one. That's probably the biggest one of the day, believe it or not. He is. I think he's a 15-incher, but definitely the biggest one of the day. Too bad. Look at that, buddy. Appreciate you. Too bad. Appreciate you, big guy. There we go. Finally. Finally on the nay rig. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Finally. Biggest one of the day. Biggest one of the day so far. Huh? Appreciate you, buddy. Not bad at all. Finally got one on the old hay rig. Sheesh. There you go, buddy. Nice. shell, man. There we go. Ain't no bigs. I need a big one. I need one now. 3-4 pounds, something like that. I do, guys. You little buddy. Appreciate you, big dog. I haven't thrown the jerk bait yet today. Maybe we ought to just do that for a little while. At least in this cove, see what happens. At least in this cove, that might tell us that that's what they want instead. Nope, stay on, buddy. Nope, hold still, buddy. Alright, there you go. Hold on. Let you go. There we go. Oh, I appreciate you, buddy. Excellent. What's inside there? Got it. Everybody, you've been had all over the place here. Let's see where to start. There we go. Still not a keeper fish, but not bad. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. All right. Alright, here we go. Last stop. Last stop, then we gotta go. All right. There we go. Nice. That's a good one. It's a pretty good one. Nice. Might be the biggest of the day. Might not either. I don't think he's a keeper. I know he's not 15 inches, but that is what it is. Bad. All right, buddy. Thank you. All right, guys. I guess we're going to end the video here. Got the boat all loaded, back down, and ready to go. But if you look, we were the first one at the ramp, and the only one at the ramp all day, I guess. So I'll tell you, 30-degree temps. It's a little cool out there, but it wasn't bad. You know, it's a little bit of wind here and there, but for the most part, you know, we caught, I don't know, 7 or 8. I think we fished for about 4 hours, so that's not bad. You know, no big ones today, but we caught some, so that makes it good. So hopefully we'll have a good tournament next weekend, and we'll see how that goes. It's supposed to be low of 8 and a high of 20, so we'll see how that goes. So stay tuned. Look out for that video coming up next. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe.